You know, guys, this is why the van life is so great. Plop down your lawn chair. The world just becomes your patio. Got some shade right here. Sun's just coming down. Nice breeze finally. Feeling blessed. Back in my day, guys, a hot and ready was like $4.99. Now a hot and ready is $8, guys. And if you think that's bad for an $8 pizza, go into Walmart and try to buy a loaf of bread for $5, bro. Look at this park, guys. This park is so privileged, you need a permit to come here, guys. This park is breathtaking, guys. Breathtaking. Don't you just want to go fishing in this? Like, look at this. Nice tall grass. If you get lucky, get bit by a snake, eh? You know what I'm saying? Probably have to cut that part. Look at this, guys. Don't you just want to go fishing here? Amazing, breathtaking, beautiful, all the above. And don't forget, expensive. Posted behind the tree there. Another camper. Friendly spot next to the river. Classic, really. Gonna have to buy some pierogies tomorrow and then just continue my journey, really, is what I'm thinking. Heard Winnipeg has the best pierogies in like all of Canada, so gonna be a no-brainer decision there. Wow, guys. Always said Camaros are cooler than Corvettes because you can daily drive them. Look at this bad boy, straight from the stars. Holy. Insane wrap, yo. With the Gengar on the mirror, it's so tough. Okay, guys, last time I had Little Caesars, it was pretty mid, average, what you'd expect from a hot and ready, but this time I went deep dish, guys. It actually isn't any deeper. The only thing is it's actually made with the exact same amount of materials, but they just make the crust a little thicker. So I'm not gonna review this. It's gonna be the same score as last time, although it does have more ingredients in it. But yeah, everyone knows Little Caesars is lacking usually, so I'm not gonna score it. I'm just gonna take a bite for you. Good enough. Holy shit, like gang war going on or something, bro. They set off a ton of fireworks and they're just shooting, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. They just set off a million fireworks and just started shooting, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's not the 1st of July or the 4th of July yet, guys. Holy shit. There's a police officer over there. He just pulled up behind me and turned on his big lights, and the second that he pulled up, boom, 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 like a billion shots are getting fired off. You can probably see like some fireworks right there. Like, holy shit. Guys, the heroes have arrived, guys. The heroes just arrived. Yo, this is like classic. This is classic Toronto. Like, this is there's officer on guard with a shotgun. Not sure if you can see. Standing point. Guys, this is crazy. I'm not sure if you can see, like, the entire police department's here. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. And there's one of the boys parked in front of me as well. That's cool though, it's cool. They're investigating the scene. Oh my goodness, guys, this is crazy. Yo. Can you guys, yeah, you definitely can see those fireworks. Oh my goodness, guys. I straight up thought this was like some like gang shootout or something by like the train, by the river. Like, fireworks are the distraction always. Like, that's some LA Confidential right there. Guys, the entire precinct is here, guys. This is serious. This is serious. Alright guys, just got some cheddar jalapeno pierogies from what I think to be the best pierogi spot in Winnipeg that I've been told. They actually had some kind of weekly special for cheddar jalapeno. Ironically, I just walked in, I seen it, looked like the best flavor they had, and it's on sale for like $6 a dozen. So can't really say no to that, especially when you're in Pierogi County, Pierogi Province, whatever you want to call it. So definitely gonna give you a valid review on these. Now this is where you want to buy a property, guys. Like 10 kilometers outside of Winnipeg, definitely cheaper than 10 kilometers outside ... So yeah, this is a great spot to own some property for sure. All right guys, passing the longitude point of Canada, marking the east and west time zone. Not really, there's like a bunch of time zone switches, but this is the Manitoba to Ontario time zone, flippity flop. So I'm pretty much in the home stretch of this van life now. Yeah, pretty much almost done, guys. Gonna try and make at least 40 vlogs. You know, 50 would be the perfect number, but might not make it there, guys, sorry. Guys, look at this spot. It's next to Gravel Mountain. Oh, I was gonna stay here, but I'm like 100% sure this is like a shooting range for Crips and Bloods. So might go find a different spot. I mean, like, there's about 1 million shotgun shells everywhere. Like, it's kind of sick as, but it's not like I have a shotgun to, like, I don't know, around with. So this is by far the most shotgun shells I've ever seen in one place ever. It's literally like more than 1 million shotgun shells all across this like little beach area. Let's go check out the water, right? Yeah, I mean, I don't think that too many people go swimming in this one here. These are the biggest flies that I think I've ever seen. Like, there's a billion of them. I just pulled up for 1 second. There's already a billion of them surrounding the van. Probably hear one hit a window in a second. But yeah, I'm gonna head further down this forest road. It's forest road number 24. And I'm just gonna see if there's a shady spot, I guess, with definitely less bugs, because this is, like, it's impossible. If you were in a tent, you'd be dead. Like, probably literally, too. Like, someone would come and shove a shotgun in your mouth, probably, at this spot. So, gonna find a different spot. Just, pretty much just taking a view down this forestry road. It's forest road number 24. There's a huge lake right there. It's a huge mountain like right there you can go climb. There's a ton of stuff. This is a great forest road if you want to come camp for like a week or two. Definitely a ton of hiking, a ton of adventures to be had around here. But with that being said, there's a ton of flies. I mean, it is the summer, like what can you expect really? I can only imagine what the nighttime would be like here. So I'm gonna head like 20 kilometers further down this road, and there's like a public restroom, rest area type deal about 20 kilometers ahead. So I'm just gonna go there, post up for a few days probably. Wash all my dishes and stuff in the bathroom, use like the water. Yeah, like look at this view though. Like this is like pretty crazy looking. Like it's absolutely unreal. I definitely just want to like pull over every 5 minutes and just film stuff, but yeah, if I'm not gonna camp here, then I don't want to like pull over every 5 minutes. So stay tuned to see what this rest area looks like. It's like an official one, so should be dope. So you're supposed to cover the top, but I actually had to throw out another pot. Unfortunately, van life, sometimes you just gotta throw out pots and pans. All right, guys, here's the pierogies. Pretty basic, just onions. I actually forgot to get sour cream, so I'm kind of missing out on half the fun. I'm gonna cook up 2 more because I had some more onions in there as well. Get the, you know, use it all, you know. I'll have 5 left for like tomorrow or something, I suppose. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop into this review. All right, guys. Here we go. Look at that, guys. Cheese and jalapeno. These are out of this world, guys. Guys, Pierogi Planet in Winnipeg. Definitely 2 thumbs up, guys. I've never had cheese and jalapeno pierogies in my life, and these are smacking. Guys, just look at this. Look at this house blend that they have here, guys. They mix like the cheese with the jalapenos. Oh, it's so perfect, guys. All right, guys, here I am at an Esso or a Shell, whatever way you want to look at it. was not feeling the other spot. Unfortunately, there's like a billion mosquitoes, infinity mosquitoes, the way I worded it prior. It just wasn't gonna be possible, guys. So now I'm here. So yeah.